Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to talk about how you can update your site's typography to make sure that it reflects your brand. Let's get started. Go to brand at the top and over here, go to text. Here you should see the font set for your headings as well as for your paragraphs. You can customize each of them, but if you want to change them all, click on change all over here. And on this small window, select your new and preferred font. And by the way, as you select your font, you'll see the changes be applied to your elements in real time. Also, depending on the font that you select, you'll have the option to select its style from the second drop down below. Let's say, for example, let's stick to that. And you can also do the same thing for your paragraphs. So if you want to change them all in an instant instead of having to change them individually, especially since you just want to keep the style the same. So click on change all and then just like what we did earlier, select your preferred font over here. And then if you have the option, also select its style from this second drop down below. Then click on apply. And just like that, your changes will automatically be saved. So you can safely close this window, and that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.